Hey guys, it's Danny from Nissan City of Red Bank, and today I'm going to take you into the 2026 Rock Creek Rogue. Come along with me. Alright, and starting out on our 2026 Rock Creek Rogue, check out the 17-inch alloy wheels on this with the off-roading tires, so you can take it anywhere. And on this you'll be able to see the red badging. Nissan has incorporated that on all Rock Creek Rogues. With that being said, you're also going to have a full 360 camera as well as adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning on this vehicle, making sure everybody is nice and safe inside. And this is equipped with the Rock Creek Premium package. So with that package includes hands-free wireless charging, so you don't need to worry about plugging in your phone and the phone breaking in the cord, as well as power seats on the passenger side so everybody is nice and comfortable inside. All of Nissan's vehicles are equipped with rear automatic braking. You're going to have 4 sensors in the back making sure you do not hit anything. You're also going to have rear cross traffic alert, where there's monitors making sure nobody is crossing behind your car, keeping you nice and safe inside. With the Rock Creek Premium package, you are going to have hands-free power liftgate. Simple, quick kick of your foot, and it opens up automatically for you. All of the Rock Creek editions are going to come with the all-weather cargo mats, making sure your car is never dirty. And if you want to check out this 2026 Rock Creek Rogue, come on down to Nissan City of Red Bank, and as always, ask for Danny. I'll see you soon.